go. I'm Danny and I'm going to do a bike check. My frame is a United Mothership. It's the 2012 version. It's 21-inch top tube and I like it. I have the premium whiskey bars in 8.25 with Colt DAC grips and Odyssey par ends, stolen clutch stem, and stock forks and front rim with a Maxxis grifter with 20 by 210 and a stolen peg. My cranks are premium 1948 cranks. They're 3-piece. I have a Shadow bottom bracket, a metal bike sprocket, 25 tooth, and a Shadow Raptor chain. Well, not Shadow Raptor, Shadow interlock chain. I actually have two different pedals on right now. And one of them is the Odyssey Twisted, and the other one is the Shadow Ravager. And then I have the Animal Nigel Sylvester seat, some Animal seat posts, and a Shadow seat clamp. And my back rims, the G-Sport roll cage laced to a Shadow Raptor hub, left-hand drive with a Fit FAF in 20 by 210. I have another stolen peg, the Shadow hub guard. And that's my bike.